All right, we're going to try this video one more time. This is number 3. I keep hitting the stop button. Anyway, back to the original problem of this frustrating ordeal is that the brake rod, for some reason this year, the parking brake stopped engaging. Not this year, this past season. And I can't get it to engage, so I tightened it up and whatever. Looked around and I found, not this, but the one that connects to right down there was cracked. So I took it to a local welder. He as you can see in the pics or previous videos, he welded it up for me. So got it home, put it on, got underneath. I adjusted the brake rod spring. It says 2.5 in the book. I tightened that down, and even still, when I depress the pedal, I can't get that notch to lock into the plate. You can't really see it lock into the plate as it should. See if I can do this with one hand. Oh, yeah, there's my foot. So even with that pressed, it won't go. When I'm really forcing that thing, it just won't click up in there. So I don't know if I need to come over here. I don't know if I need to get down here and really tighten the crap out of that brake rod spring, wherever the heck it is. Anyway, or if I'm missing something over here as well. So I don't know, man. Whoops. Anything you can suggest? What am I missing that I can't get that to engage? Something just off. I know you're telling me make it a parts tractor, but I got too much time and energy into it to make it a parts tractor, and honestly, it cuts really well. So thanks for the help. I appreciate it.